Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the camera app and swipe to portrait mode on your Rs3. Tap the aperture icon to choose f/1, 8 or f/2. 8 blur for stronger background separation. Use the 3-second timer to steady the phone and reduce handshake blur. Hold the phone vertically and frame your subject between 1 and 2.5 meters away. Tap the subject's eyes to lock focus and confirm exposure. Locking focus keeps the subject sharp, while the software renders the background blur. Position your subject 1 to 2.5 meters from the camera for optimal face rendering. Face subjects towards soft light, like an overcast sky or window, and avoid direct harsh backlight. Use reflectors or a white surface to fill shadows when needed. Compose with the subject slightly off-center for pleasing balance and allow background space for blurred separation. Keep the eyes sharp and use natural angles to flatter facial features and preserve realistic skin tones. After capture, open the photo and adjust background blur from 0 to 100 to taste. Use manual exposure compensation while shooting to avoid blown highlights in bright scenes. Enable RAW capture if you plan deeper edits in desktop software for better color and detail recovery. Apply portrait filters sparingly to preserve natural skin texture and avoid oversmoothing. Export a high-resolution copy when done, and keep the original for future re-edits or prints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.